Dear traders, in this video we are going to review our two top class indicators that we use for our Mt4 trading. So these two indicators are properly licensed and you can get us from the official website, Telegram or the WhatsApp. So let's talk about the first indicator, that is called Smart Buy and Smart Sell indicator. So guys, you can see that here we had a buy signal on Great Britain Pound JPY, and right now sell is coming, and the previous signal was small sell. And guys, about this indicator, because I am going to review the two indicators, none of the indicator repaints. So it means that no indicator repaints, that is 100% guaranteed. However, if we talk about the second indicator that is we are using is the moving average indicator, that's called masterpiece. So if we talk about this indicator is for the traders who are not very much aggressive about the trading, who do patience in their trading. It is good for themselves, right? Okay, so let's talk about the signals on different pairs. So for example, if you look at gold 15-minute, the buy is running, and here it has given us a buy entry. Right now the market touched at this point. If you go to the second indicator, and the second indicator, you can see that the sell is running and still running. So guys, now it depends on you that if you want to do a long-term trading, then you can go for this indicator. If you're aggressive enough, then this indicator is very good. Okay, if you talk about the Euro USD, right now you can see the previous signal was the buy crossover, bullish crossover, it was up. Sell crossover still running, and if we go to the smart buy and smart sell, you can see that it is giving you both opportunities, sell and buy. However, this sell was not satisfied, but the buy is even satisfied. Let's talk about Aud USD on the masterpiece. It's running sell, and if we go to the second one, here also we have the smart sell signal. Great Britain Pound USD sell buy crossover, sorry, and if we go to here we have a smart buy. You can see here, right? The signals are very powerful. It does not repaint. Okay, for example, if you look at USD JPY 15-minute, then you can see we have just a bullish crossover, and here we have a sign to buy it. And let's see what's going on the other one. Okay, other one we had a smart buy signal from the previous time, so it is running already. Okay, Euro JPY bullish crossover going up. Okay, if we go to Euro JPY, then you can see already smart buy has given a very good ride. So both indicators have their own importance. It depends on the trading style, that which style do you like. Okay, sell crossover on USD CAD, and then if you go to here, sell smart sell is also running. AUD JPY, a sell signal is running on the moving average, and a buy signal is running on the aggressive settings of the smart buy and smart sell. Overall guys, these two indicators are very powerful. It depends on you that which one suits you the best. And if you're interested in getting the license of this indicator, you can contact us on our official email given in the description of this video. You can contact us through Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are given in the description of this video. Thank you very much.